And if you want to go into even further details with the Nile River flows from the south. It doesn't flow from the north. It actually exits into the Mediterranean Sea from the north. See, that's the misconception. You're acting like this salt water is going into the river. No. The salt water is not going into the river, because the Mediterranean Sea is salt water. That's the misconception. The Mediterranean Sea is salt water. The river Nile is fresh water, which comes from the Great Lakes of Uganda, Tanzania, and all those areas. When the water from the sea gets put into clouds, the clouds cling out that actual salt and become fresh water when it rains. And when it rains, it floods up these areas which you would call lakes, big Great Lakes. And those Great Lakes will have fresh water, and the fresh water will basically travel down the Nile. It will come down. So if it's in the mountains of Uganda and all these different places in East Africa, the water would have flowed down. And once the water flows down, that's how everyone from East Africa to North Africa would have got fresh water. And on the banks of the Nile, they would have had that fresh water basically to fish, to have food, because that's where all the animals would have went to drink water. So all the animals would have went to drink water, and all the people that were hunter-gatherers, which is pretty much everybody, you go where food is. You go where the animals are.